We've designed these courses so that you can understand them easily and get results when you're finished. We've studied how to make courses, and we've done a whole lot of courses ourselves, so we know the best ways to understand information. There are only a few key points to have in your mind as you're learning anything. The first point is to have the physical tools available for you to touch and practice with as you're going through the course. Learning how to make a salad when you've never handled lettuce before would be difficult to do. The next point to watch out for is confusion. If something doesn't make sense, there will be something that was missed before. We've done our best to make the information as understandable as possible. So if something doesn't make sense, it's guaranteed to be something not understood earlier than where you currently are. The most important part about learning anything is the words used. You could potentially not understand one word and you think you don't understand the whole subject. If you don't understand a word, just look it up in a good dictionary and make sure you get the concept. It'll ensure you understand the material and can get results. Your trainers are here for you. We want to see you make it and be successful. We're watching your progress and we will give you the feedback necessary to make sure you're doing well. You can't fail this course. If you're doing all the lessons and taking on your trainer's feedback, you're going to smash it very quickly. Just be patient and take it step by step. Here's how you log in. Once you do, you'll be taken to all the courses that we have. And there's some pretty amazing courses if you ask me. Here's where the card is. Click that and you can purchase more courses, which we recommend. You can put a coupon code in. Here's your profile. And this lists all of your progress and courses that you have. Here you can get your certificate. Click that and then you can download it. Click continue to progress in the course. And here we go. And if you want, you can download it. Click there. You can see on the left that we've got all the modules there for you to go through and really understand the science and how to do everything. Click next up the top. See all the ticks on the side? You want all those ticks in order to complete the course. Here we've got an assessment. Click the right answer and then hit submit. It's important that when you're submitting your practical assignments that you help us out. If we can't see everything, it's going to be hard for us to give you the best guidance. Take photos and videos according to the instructions so that we can see what we need. Here are some examples of what we would need to see. We're only human and we have a lot of students, so sometimes there may be a short delay in replying to your submissions. We aim to reply to all submissions within 24 hours, but life can happen. Keep progressing on your course in the meantime. Contact us if you have any concerns at trainingsupport@learnaboutbeauty.com.au. Here we have a community program, so you can chat with other users and other students and just have a good time. Get some questions answered, that sort of thing. Here you can change your name, your password, all that kind of thing. Here's our free course trials. And let's go home. Here are all the amazing courses that we have on offer. Check out our blogs. Seriously, there's a wealth of free information, tips, and advice that you're free to check out. And they're also pretty funny if I say so myself. Why don't you refer a friend? Share the love and who knows what could happen. They could end up being a business partner. I mean, that's basically why I'm here. Plus, we'll hook you both up with free stuff if your friend signs up for a course. Did you know that we are now offering in-house payment plans to help you get started earlier? Pay over time, not all at once. Start with a $150 deposit, choose your weekly plan. Pick from 4, 8, or 10-week plans. Payments auto-deduct from your card. Get instant access to your course so you can start straight away. You get lifetime access with unlimited support and loads of other perks and benefits. We regularly do updates on courses as the beauty industry evolves, which you'll be able to access forever. Ready to level up your skills your way? Choose your plan and start today. We believe learning should fit your life, not the other way around. Still got questions or want to talk to a real person? Text us on 0414-212-904 or call us 03-9376-4426.